Hi everyone, it's time for our October subscription box unboxing video. So let's just get right into it. On top we just have a card that explains everything that's inside with a cute little bookmark on top. So diving right in, the first thing on top are an Ancient World map scrunchie and then a glow-in-the-dark stars scrunchie. Super cute, super soft. The Ancient World map scrunchie is made of 100% polyester and the glow-in-the-dark stars scrunchie is made of 100% organic cotton. Next we're just going to dive into this little necklace bag, and inside is a matte glow-in-the-dark necklace. This necklace is silver-plated stainless steel. Next we have this antique old traveler roll-up pouch, and this is made of imitation leather. There are numerous pockets where you can store things like writing utensils and paintbrushes. In the back, there's one big pocket where you can put things like paper. And here's just another view of the super cool design on the back. Next I'm grabbing this little package which, when unwrapped, contains glass world map magnets. How cute are these? The next thing in this box is a super rad vinyl coaster 6-pack. The next item in this box are these super cool jellyfish socks. And moving on to our second to last thing, these super cute micro Dino cookie cutters. These are made of stainless steel and come in all your favorite dinosaur shapes. Lastly, we have this Ancient World map scarf. This is made of 60% polyester, 35% viscose, and 5% lycra. Thank you for watching our subscription box unboxing video, and while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our mailing list for 20% off your first order.